In this lesson, we'll walk through the Divi Builder interface so you know where everything is and how to get started. To access the Divi Builder, you can go to your WordPress dashboard, open Pages, and select a page. From here, click Edit with the Divi Builder. You can also open your page in the front end and use the Edit with Divi link in the top bar. Either way, this will launch the Divi Builder directly on your page. When you enable the Divi Builder for the first time, you'll see a pop-up with three options. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or build with AI. Build from scratch starts with a blank page. Choose a pre-made layout gives you access to Elegant Themes' library of layouts, or lets you import one of your own. And Build with AI allows you to use prompts to generate a starting layout automatically. We'll cover each of these in more detail later, but for now, let's choose Build from scratch. Once the builder is open, you'll notice four main areas. At the top, you have the top bar. On the left, there's the sidebar. On the right, the settings panel, which changes depending on the section, row, or module you're editing. And in the center, you'll find the canvas, the main workspace where you'll actually build your page. Let's take a closer look at the canvas. This is where you place all your building blocks, sections, rows, and modules. To start, you can add a blank section. Inside that section, you can insert rows, and within those rows, you can add modules like text, images, or buttons. Everything is visual and drag and drop. You can move modules between rows, rearrange sections, or duplicate elements with just a click. The canvas gives you a live preview of your design as you build, so you always see exactly what your visitors will see. Now let's move to the top bar. On the center, you can switch between responsive views. By default, you'll see the desktop view, but you can switch to tablet or mobile with a click. Under the More menu, you can also add custom breakpoints. Next to this, you'll see the toggle for dark mode, then undo and redo links and the history panel, which lets you step back to any action you've made. The up and down arrows allow you to import or export layouts. The trash icon clears the entire layout so you can start over quickly. You'll also see the Save to Library option, which lets you save a complete layout. Then there's the Exit button to leave the builder, a Preview button to view your page, and finally the Save button to commit your changes. Now let's look at the left sidebar. At the top is the plus icon, which reopens the starting options. Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or build with AI. If you choose a pre-made layout, you'll see hundreds of ready-to-use designs. Clicking on one will show the available pages in that pack, and you can import the layout with a single click. Below that, you'll find the Layers panel. This displays all of your sections, rows, and modules in a structured view, making it easy to navigate complex layouts. Next is the Variable Manager. This is where you'll create global colors, fonts, and other variables. We'll cover this in a later module. Further down, you'll find the Wireframe view, which shows your design in a modular structural format. This is similar to how Divi looked before the Visual Builder, and is still very useful for precise navigation. Below that are a set of helpful visual toggles. The Action Icons. On Hover toggle lets you hide the module labels when hovering. The Parent Action Icons on Hover only shows labels when hovering over parent elements. The X-ray view highlights all the outlines of your sections, rows, and modules at once. Next, you'll find the Builder settings. Here you can adjust defaults like view mode, history state intervals, and other global builder preferences. And finally, at the bottom, there's a Help icon, which gives you quick access to Elegant Themes' video tutorials. That covers the Divi Builder interface. You now know how to open the builder, use the canvas, explore the top bar, and navigate the left sidebar with its tools. In the next lesson, we'll take a closer look at Divi's building blocks, sections, rows, and columns.